Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope all is well. So this video started out with a haul, okay, and I shared that this will be Thanksgiving haul, and then I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the prep work and show you the food, and then everything is complete at the end. So go ahead and enjoy today's video. If you find any inspiration in this video, don't forget to like, hype, share, and subscribe, okay? And so these are the pans I'm going to use again. So I'm just going to wash them out. These are Pyrex pans, okay? So this should probably be for the turkey or the mac and cheese turkey. And then I think I'm going to do the yams on the stove top. But this will be probably for the yams. And then I don't know what I'm going to put in. Probably the peach cobbler. Okay? So, yeah. Or the dressing. We'll see. So, let's try this again. So, turkey, mac and cheese, dressing, yams. I'm going to find probably another, I have another dish that I can use, because I went to a few stores and they did not have the aluminum pans. Okay. Well, some stores I went in they did, but I'm speaking early on out. Okay, I'm speaking like 2-3 weeks before. Okay, when I'm doing the Christmas shopping. Okay, so that just gives you a time frame. But if the stores may have had too big of aluminum pans, then I was not gonna go for those. So yeah, so this is pretty much everything is stuffed in the freezer. This is a turkey that my mom gave me, and I don't think that I'm gonna use this turkey. I'm grateful for it. I have already gotten my I got my wings, so I'm gonna do that. But these are the things that I hauled. So, okay, what was that? A week ago, or over the weekend, or whatever. So that lets you know that this is how it's done. So I think I'm gonna have about like I think I said 6 blends of cheese in my macaroni and cheese. Okay, so, but yeah, this is what it looks like in the freezer when it's pretty much stuffed and full. So all of these things are gonna be prepped. I'm gonna take them out and put them together. This is how it's done. Okay, the day before or 2 days, if you want to prep it, put everything in the refrigerator, then all you have to do is throw it in the oven. If you're a shopper, you want to feed people, then you already are already. Okay, you're going out to the Black Friday sale, but so stay tuned, and then I'll share with you how everything is gonna look. I think my other cheese is back there. Yeah. So yeah. Yep. Yes, thank you. No, but there are some ingredients that I'm not gonna share, but I'm gonna use this too. So that's one, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so I was right the first time. 6, huh? Okay. Well, yeah, that's that. All right. Okay, now this is not special salt. This just uh, salt, and I'm gonna just pour it in. Okay, like so, and it's just gonna be sitting in here like that. Oh, then I'm gonna get some vinegar. Vinegar. I just pour it in there. Okay, and just let it sit. I'm gonna move them around a bit. I'm gonna put a lid over them, and yeah.
Grabbing the torch so I can burn the whiskers, hairs off of the meat because I don't want to have those baked in. Okay, so now this is very cheesy and consistent with more of a white, okay? You know, cheese. I probably could have used more of the yellow, but I just went ahead and tried something a little bit different, and I believe that was with the quesadilla. So now, if I want to make like quesadilla sauce, oh my goodness, with some nachos, that would be so tasty. I think I'm gonna try. Okay, so here it is. As you can see, it's more of a white consistency. It's not that orange. Okay, and that's the dressing. And yeah, these are just like wing tips, I guess. So I just went ahead and cooked them. I don't really eat them, but if you want to get that little strip of meat out of there, then hey. But, you know, it is what it is. So the meal is complete, and yeah, I think that I did a good job. Everybody else said that I did a good job. So hey. So the family did enjoy what I cooked. So yeah. All right, it's time to weigh in. It's time to weigh in. Okay, 11:56 a.m. I think I done it again. I think I done it again. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hey. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I hope your Thanksgiving went exactly how you wanted to. And yeah, so come back and visit my channel again. I want to thank you so very much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you back on my next video. The next clip, I'm just sharing with you what the food looks like, and of course, I'm gonna clean it all up. So, all right now.